Wire up like a pro. NAOEVO 16 AWG, 5-conductor flex beast for next-level power. Sick of wires that burn out, break, or just plain suck? Meet the NAOEVO 16-gauge 5-conductor electrical wire, the game-changer for automotive, marine, and LED wiring. With oxygen-free tin copper and 26 finely stranded cores per circuit, this wire delivers maximum conductivity with minimal resistance. Whether you're working on 12-volt, 24-volt, or even up to 600-volt applications, this beast ensures steady power flow without voltage drops. Plus, with an IP68 waterproof rating, it resists moisture like a champ, making it perfect for outdoor, marine, and rugged environments. Say goodbye to cheap, flimsy wires, this one's built to dominate. Durability? This wire's tougher than your in-laws at Thanksgiving. With a high-quality PVC jacket, it laughs in the face of extreme weather, chemicals, and abrasion. Designed to handle -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 248 degrees Fahrenheit, it won't crack, melt, or stiffen up like those subpar knockoffs. You also get 28 heat shrink tubes and 10 cable ties, ensuring a secure, professional installation every time. Whether you're working on boats, cars, landscape lighting, or home projects, NAOEVO delivers rock-solid durability that keeps your wiring safe and sound for years. No more redoing the same job twice. Hate struggling with stiff, hard-to-work-with wires? NAOEVO's 16 AWG wire is lightweight, ultra-flexible, and ridiculously easy to strip, crimp, and solder. It bends like a gymnast, fits into tight spaces without a fight, and makes installation a breeze, even for beginners. Whether you're an electrical pro or just a weekend warrior, this wire won't kink, snap, or frustrate you. The high-flex PVC insulation keeps it smooth and tangle-free, so you can get the job done faster and cleaner. No more wrestling with cheap, stiff cables, this is wiring made easy. Still questioning if it's worth it? Absolutely. Unlike low-grade wires that lose conductivity, overheat, or wear out fast, NAOEVO's oxygen-free tin copper ensures long-lasting, high-performance power delivery. Competitors use low-strand, impure copper, which leads to voltage drops, poor connections, and more headaches. NAOEVO's premium design means better efficiency, reduced energy loss, and fewer replacements. One roll can save you hours of frustration and costly do-overs, making it a smart investment for DIYers and professionals alike. Why risk subpar wiring when you can have the best at an affordable price? This ain't just wire, it's an upgrade. Whether you're wiring up your car, boat, home lighting, or DIY electronics, this high-conductivity, ultra-durable, frustration-free wire gives you pro-level results without the pro price. Built to last, easy to use, and packed with premium features, NAOEVO's 16 AWG 5-conductor wire is the smart buy for anyone who demands quality. Don't settle for weak, unreliable cables, power up with the best and get the job done right the first time.